everyone, welcome to Cook with Vicky show. Today I'm going to show you how to cook fish stew dish. This dish, it tastes a little bit of sweet, savory, and a little bit of spicy. It tastes real good with cooked white rice or brown rice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Here's the ingredients how to make a stew fish. Here I have about one whole catfish, about 3 pounds. I asked the butcher to cut and clean, and I'm going to use just a 2/3 of it. I save the head and a portion of it to cook another dish later. Make sure you go home, you clean them, and you pat them dry real good. And here I have I'm going to use soy sauce. I use about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Black soy sauce, I use about 1 tablespoon. And I have sugar. I use about 3 tablespoons sugar and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And here I have about 2/3 cup of water. And I also have 2 slices of ginger. It's about 1/2 inch thick. And I have 1 stalk of lemongrass and about 10. You can use fresh red pepper or dry red pepper. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to cook right now. Let me show you how to prepare the lemongrass and the ginger. I already cut in about 1/2 inch thick and peel, and you can go like this, chop it out a little bit, not cut through, so it can release more aroma. Or you can even smash it if you want to, you know, just like that. Okay, there you go. Same thing for lemongrass. Okay, now let's go cook fish. Here I have in the pan fry, I have 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, any oil that you can use. Okay, and I turn until I feel the pan is hot enough, and I turn down the heat. We're just gonna sear the fish real fast. Okay, you turn at medium-high heat and sear it real fast. Be careful to splash. Make sure you pat them dry real good, otherwise very splashing. Don't stay so close to it. Okay, leave it on. Like a minute or a couple minutes each side. This will help it stay together. The fish will stay together when you stew it. You can check it by lift it up and see if it's brown at the other side. That means it's just ready to flip. See? Now it's ready to turn the other side. When it's brown like that, make sure they're all brown. I said about a couple minutes each side. Okay, at this point it's brown. You see it brown on both sides. You turn it down, the heat a little bit low, and then you remove it out, put on the plate. Oops. Okay, now you put in you turn it down to medium low, and you put in ginger, everything. Kind of stir a little bit until a little flavor you smell at medium low heat. Okay, otherwise it's gonna burn. Just like that. See, be careful. At medium low heat. Be careful. Flashing. Make sure you turn down to low. At this point, you can add the fish back on. Be very careful, stay far away, don't stay too close. Right? And you add the seasoning in. In here I already mixed in the bowl that I make 1 tablespoon of black soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. I mix them all up and I pour them in. That's it. Make sure you turn it on low heat, okay? And I add in, I said 2/3 of a cup, but I think I'm going to use only half cup of water. There we go. That's it. You cover and you let it simmer. So I used only half cup of water instead of 2/3 a cup of water. You can get the spoon and get the sauce on top so the fish can get pretty color at the same time. You know. At this point you turn it low to medium low and let it simmer until the sauce getting thicker. Okay. And the fish cook through. Okay, once in a while you can open, you cover it up, okay? And then once in a while you can stir it up and open it up and let's scoop up the sauce and put it on top. Okay, just like that. Okay, put the lid on and let it simmer itself. I say about 20 to 30 minutes later we will check to see if it's done, okay? This is what it looked like after 10 minutes. Now, if you want to make the fish look evenly colored, you can flip it the other side, just like that. Okay, make sure you don't break it. That's why I said you need to sear the fish so it don't break easy, right? We did that. That's why it don't break easy, otherwise it fall apart. See? That's gonna almost fall apart. So don't flip it too often. Just make sure the both sides you have evenly. And then you cover it again and let it simmer. After about 30 minutes, here what it looks like, and I think it's about to done. Make sure when you do simmer at the very low, okay, and then keep check every 10 minutes to avoid it burning. It's supposed to have a thick consistency of the sauce, like this. So now I'm going to remove it, and we done. Be careful, otherwise it's going to break. At this point, I show you how the sauce look like. It look very thick. See? Oh, be careful. You know, when you cook this, if you have coconut juice, the one that you used to drink, you can put in instead of water. It will be much better, but I don't have it, so I use water instead. This is how much, when you simmer it down, this is how much the sauce left. That's what you want, okay? Now we're done. Can you see that? Okay. Here's our dish. We just finished cooking. This one, it has to taste like a little savory, a little sweet, a little spicy. Like I said, you can use coconut juice, the one that you drink, instead of water. Oh, it tastes good too. But I don't have, so I use water. And also, if you don't want that sweet, you can cut down sugar. And then you can pair this one with rice, white rice, brown rice. It tastes good. And before you eat, you can put in a dash of either black pepper or white pepper. I like to put in a dash of white pepper better because it's a little more spicy. There you have it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and please remember to subscribe.